guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Joan, Julian's mom, and we have another box here. But nope, it's not another unboxing video. So remember in my previous video, I made a shout out to my friend David, like to get his Anthurium queen. Today is the day! I figured why not do an unhaul plant video. So basically, I'm not hauling it. He'll be the one who's actually doing a plant haul, courtesy of me and the hoyas that are coming. So yeah, so it's the Anthurium queen that initiated this one. So here's my well, this is now David's Anthurium warocqueanum. I think I'm pronouncing that right, or the Queen Anthurium. This one is one of the many beautiful plants that I've seen out there. But unfortunately, it's not loving it here in my environment. And I know, and my friend David, he has like 2 greenhouses. Yes, he's like, yeah. But anyways, he's getting my plant, this warocqueanum, and I know he'll take great care of it. It used to have 3 leaves when I got it. I got this from Equagenera. They were doing a plant show, so I ordered it on their website. And then it's either you can only have it by pickup or mail within the US while they're doing their show here. So that's what I did. I picked it up during one of their shows here in Orange County, outside South Coast Plaza. And yeah, it was this Anthurium queen. I'll insert a picture of how it used to look like. It is beautiful. It's still gonna be beautiful because look at that. It's already sprouting a new leaf and another one. And this stump, yeah, I'm calling it a stump right now. It has 2 growth points. So yeah, this is like almost you can actually cut this one here once it establishes a leaf to provide its energy, and you can root that, then you get 2 Anthurium queens. So this one's going to David. It's gonna go in that Amazon box there. And then also I got him to agree excuse me, and also I got him to agree to take care of my other philodendrons, namely this one. This one I got from NSC Tropicals, I think summer of last year. This is the Philodendron grazielae. It used to be grand and beautiful, and then it started hating me. But yeah, but at the moment it has new growth, and I know the roots are healthy again because I rehabbed this. I re-rooted it in water under my heating mat and grow light, and then spring came, and here we are, and he's gonna go to a better plant parent in terms of philodendrons. Philodendron grazielae with its pigtail. I think some people call it pigtail. The other plant that I'm giving him is this Philodendron burle marx splash. So basically, this is just the variegated version of burle marx. There's another one, the silvery prettiness, the fantasy. So my friend David already has the regular burle marx, the fantasy, and now he's gonna get this one. This one has 2 plants in here and a lot of growth points. I know it can get bigger, but this one is baby, but this one is the biggest leaf of it, and this one, no, there's still some variegation because I thought it reversed somehow, but this is going to him. And excuse the green stuff in the water reservoir. I'm gonna need to clean it before I give it to him. I might even keep the bowl because I think he has his own setup, but I'll ask him if he wants it because I have plenty. And next, I'm really making room for my hoyas. Okay, don't judge me for giving away my baby plants. But yeah, they're going to a better place, to someone who can take good care of them and not be out of focus because of all the other beautiful hoyas. But yeah, this is my I keep on saying my. I'm so selfish. But no, this is David's Philodendron Florida Ghost. I featured this one on one of my very first videos, the air layering hack, and I graded its container instead of the nursery pot. Now it's in a sauce container. Still sphagnum moss though. So this is Philodendron Florida Ghost. I got this originally from Thailand, fall of 2018 or early 2019. And yeah, this is one of the original leaves. It's still very grand and beautiful, like dark green and all of this variegation. And this one up here, this one used to have two other companies. They died off, but no idea. Hopefully you'll be much happier with David. This one, look at that variegation. Just a little hint of green up there and a new growth growing. So Philodendron Florida Beauty is going to David. And these are the 4 plants that I'll be going to David, but also I'm giving him some cuttings. So we're gonna do that together. We're gonna cut, and maybe I can tell you where to cut. The first one that I'm gonna give him a cutting off is this beautiful Syngonium, yada yada yada, because I cannot pronounce the name, but this is basically one of the many variants of variegated Syngonium. And this one is a prolific grower. I got this from Gabriela Plants, and it has grown since I got it. I think I got it December or November of last year. So I have a cutter here. I already cleaned it with alcohol, and I'm not sure if I can zoom you guys in, but I'm just gonna snip here. There we go. So I snipped here. Wow, this one is really leggy. But yeah, so what I did there, I cut on the area that's called internode, because these are considered nodes where a new growth of leaf can come up from. And there, I'm gonna actually split this in 2 because my sister wants one too, so they can share this. And yeah, oh, and be mindful of the sap, so make sure you don't touch that, because sometimes you get irritated with it. So this is one of them. I'm gonna just put it in a tissue. This is the other plant that I'm gonna be bringing up on the table. Is big. It's one of my big mamas. Let me get it. Bless you. Does it even fit in the So this is my monstera. This is a Philodendron mexicanum. I got this from Ecuador as well, I think. Like at the same time I got my Anthurium. No, not my Anthurium queen. I got this at the time when I was so into Anthuriums. But I'm keeping some of them while they're happy. But the queen I'm gonna give to my friend. But this is my mexicanum. It's huge. So I'm gonna give David a cutting. And also I tried the air layering hack on this one too, because I wanna share it with people. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna cut here. Ooh, I need to disinfect. So this tissue here, tissue paper, has alcohol. So you do wanna disinfect your cutters in between cuttings. So if ever there's some diseases or whatnot from the other plant, you don't transfer it to the other plant. So basically you prevent cross-contamination. So I'm gonna cut on the internode again, which is here. You get a good place to cut, yeah. Ta-da! Ooh! Wow. I hope I do. Oh my, that smells good. If you haven't cut plants, but please don't cut plants. Yes, Jill, don't cut plants. Don't cut plants, but if you do, in the sake of propagation, they smell good. I love that scent. It's like it smells so clean and so green. So, and there's a new growth. Hopefully it does well. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna wrap it in moist sphagnum moss. So when he gets it, it's still alive. The same with this Syngonium. So we're gonna not unbox. I keep on saying unbox. We're gonna box. We're gonna pack the plants in a box. Yeah, so I'm not really worried about stuffing stuff, but I'm just gonna see if they're all fit. So there's that one. Where are the other? I suck at this. I don't know. I'm scared. Here's that one. And then there's the grazielae. Grazielae. Oh, this one most likely will be just like this. And then this. Boom. I feel like it's a sword. Oh, that's my tummy growling. Sorry. And this is the new growth. I don't know. I feel like maybe I'm scared about the new growth. And this one I ended up cutting in half so I can share the other cutting with my sister. And that's it. That's our plant packing video. I suck at it, but hey, he's gonna pick it up outside our door. And here's our packed box of plants. Well, I don't recommend packing plants like this if you're shipping them. Obviously, you need to put some paddings, insulation, or some heat packs if needed. But yeah, this one's gonna be picked up by David today. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And again, I encourage you to share your plants. If you've been hoarding, well, if you've been getting plants and you feel like you're neglecting them, do find them a better home. They deserve to have a better home. And again, they're also God's creation. They'll be taken care of. But yeah, don't be too selfish, and it's okay to share your plants. I'm recording. And my sister just got here. So yeah. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, I'm doing a giveaway. It involves hoyas, because hoya. But thank you again for watching. And please like and subscribe, and may you always be blessed. Come. Hi, David. Yay.
Yay.
Thank you for rescuing the plants.
Thank you.
Bye. COVID
Bye.
6 feet away. Bye.